Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone camera that has a black screen. You want to follow these steps to go ahead and quickly fix it. So let's get started. The very first thing when it comes to troubleshooting the actual camera being black is ensuring that you don't have a case that can be blocking the front camera or the back camera, depending on which one it is. Especially if you install a new case, sometimes the case doesn't fit right and could just simply block that. Now that's going to be the simplest fix. The next fix is going to be actually cleaning out your camera lenses. Sometimes if it gets dirt or dust, it can actually cause the cameras not to function correctly. So what I would recommend is taking a microfiber cloth, just simply wiping down those lenses, making there's no dust, debris, or lint causing it. Same thing with the front camera. There's a camera right here, you can see on the top notch here. We're going to wipe them down, and hopefully it's simple fix like that. Now if that's not working for you, next thing to do is go ahead and quit the camera app and relaunch it. So to quit it, you simply swipe up, just go up like this, and that'll close it out and relaunch it, and it should just work for you. Now if that doesn't work for you, let's go ahead and close it one more time, just like that. You're going to follow the step. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I do volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that, and we're going to wait until the screen goes completely black. And during this process, we're not going to want to hold anything on the screen here. Just wait for it to go completely black and the Apple logo appears. We let go of it. Again, all I did is quickly press and release the volume up, a volume down, before holding on to that side button. If it doesn't work for the very first time, keep on trying it. This is known as a forced restart. This will not delete any of your data. All of your data will be safe on your phone. And once you're back on, go ahead and launch the camera app, and hopefully it is working for you. Now if you're still seeing that it's black for you, the next thing you want to follow is go into your setting on your iPhone, and then you're going to want to go ahead into accessibility and ensure that this voiceover is turned off. This setting sometimes interferes with certain functionality, like the camera being black. It's a glitch or a bug that we've seen, so I recommend turning that off. You can also have Siri turn that off. If you have Siri on, just say, hey Siri, turn off voiceover, and it'll turn it off for you. Now after you have done that and you're still finding that it's not working, the next thing to check out in the main settings, go to general, go to your iPhone storage, and we need to make sure we have enough storage in order to take photos or videos. And if we don't, it could cause the camera not to work. You can see right up here, tells you how much storage you have available on your phone. As you can see, I have over 97 gigs, but if you didn't, it's down to the last couple gigs. Delete some stuff like videos, photos that you don't need, and also any apps that can free up some storage will help you go ahead and fix your problem. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is updating your phone software by going into your settings, general, software update. And sometimes what happens is a previous update might have caused the camera not to work correctly. Maybe it's freezing like it says here. So go ahead and update your phone to fix those problems. And lastly, if that isn't working, it's time to go ahead and reset the settings. So in the settings, you're going to go to general, scroll down to transfer reset iPhone, click on reset. And we're going to reset all settings. Basically, when you reset all settings, it resets things like network related settings, so saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connected devices. You'll have to reconnect them. Keyboard dictionary, home screen layout, handwriting style, and location privacy settings. Now these are all the settings themselves. This resetting all settings will not delete any of your data, but it's an important step to do if you're finding that the camera still is not working. Lastly, if none of these are working for you, you might want to consider backing up your phone, doing a factory reset, and restoring it as well as a final troubleshooting step. Now that process does take some time, and it's another video we made if you want to check that video out on how to again back up, factory reset, and then restore your data. If there is that's going to be the final fix for it. And I hope after doing this your camera is no longer black and it is fixed. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.